Welcome back, Wogglers. All right, so we're in Zoho Campaigns. We're almost done with deliverability, which is just not nearly as much fun as making cool looking templates for campaigns and all that cool stuff, but it is incredibly important. So stick with me, this is the last one. Here we go. Imprint Details. All right, so this is really just another way that you can prove that you are a real company. It's really what it comes down to. Is these are imprinted details about you and your company that can be verified by a third party to show that you're a real human. You're not a spammer. You're not trying to say you're somebody you're not. All that kind of jazz. So there you go. One of the things to know is just right up at the top here is I comply with the German Telemedia Act, also known as the GDPR, and other laws. If you're a company based in U.S. and you're sending people like emails to people in U.S., then just use other laws, and then you can add in stuff as appropriate, right? If you are really sending any emails at all to anybody in the European Union, you're going to want to use the German Telemedia Act. And as you can see, that means you can't toggle off a lot more of the things, because this is required information to imprint onto all of your emails to try and help with spam and scammers and stuff like that. But I mean, it's grand scheme of things, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of come in and you say an authorized representative would be Jessica. Email address. Oh, at least this is my pretend company, so it's Ulysses Zona, and my email address is Ulysses at tulip inc.com. And then it already grabbed my phone number and address from my company details when I first set up Zoho Campaigns. If you want to change that, you just have to go into company details instead of here in Imprint. And then you can put your tax identification number or your company registration number. You can also just leave those off the Imprint. If you're in the other laws, you do have to put your tax identification number if you are using GDPR. So there you go. And this is kind of what it looks like. These are the imprinted information. So there you go. Click update. Oh, imprint. Here we go. Yeah, you can call it imprinted information, or you can call it company verification information. All that kind of jazz. Or if you don't want a header on this information, you just turn that bit off. Again, not an option for GDPR, only an option if you're US based. All right. Or I guess not just US if you're not part of the EU at all. Here you go. And then that is your imprint details. And again, it just helps with email deliverability and proving that you're a real company. All right. We did it. We made it through all the deliverability settings, and now we can do more fun stuff. See you in the next one. Woggle woggle.